What you guys, got another dashcam review. This is the Xiaomi 70mm Dashcam Pro. Now this is probably one of the best dashcams that I've reviewed for the money at this price point. Now the specs here, you can see the image sensor is a Sony IMX335. Resolution is 2592 by 1944, which is 2.7K resolution, and you got the FOV, which is 140 degrees, f1.8, and 6 glass lenses on there for the camera as well. Micro SD card supports up to 64 gigabytes. Class 10 you'll need, and the battery capacity is 500 milliamp hour, which plugs into your car cigarette lighter socket there. This is everything you're going to get inside the kit. Also an added extra GPS unit here, which I've added into the kit as well, which is an extra add-on. But you see it's got that 3M sticky tape on there as well. And we also have a user manual here for that particular item. That's an extra item, I think. You're also going to get your cable here. Now the cable plugs into your camera and then into a USB cable at the end, which will go into your cigarette lighter socket there. Now this is your spudger to push the cable into those crevices to hide the cable, and then you got your cigarette lighter socket here with your USB ports on here. Plus you can get one for charging your phone as well on there, which is the fast charging, which I like as an added bonus. Now this is what comes with the kit, is this mount here without the GPS that comes in the kit. Inside there you've got your user manual and a couple of little diagrams here, and the user manual is just pretty self-explanatory here, just tells you how to use it and set it up. It's very self-explanatory, and it gives you some other information on here as well. We've got the actual camera itself. Now the camera is a really nice low profile. It's a 5 megapixel 1944p resolution with WDR. ADAS is supported on this dashcam, which is an added bonus here as well. And as you can see here, this is where you're going to connect up your mount here, and it means you can remove the mount for camera from the mount and take the camera inside if you want to, or you can have it on 24-hour parking mode as well. This is your screen, which I'll remove the cover in a second. You've got your navigation buttons here, which help you navigate through the menu, which helps you navigate through all your settings. You've got your little LED light here to let you know when the camera is on. The camera is swiveling. You can swivel that camera around to get a nice perfect camera angle on your screen. And just make sure your screen's nice and clean. You've got your SD card port here, and you've also got your power port on there as well. Remember, maximum 64 gigabytes. Class 10 card will be in there, which is what you need to use, which is plenty enough here for this particular type of camera. Now the actual mount system here will go on here. I'm putting the GPS one on here, but if you want to put another one on you can, which means if this stuck to the window, which means once it's on the window it's not going to come off. Now the good thing is it means that the camera does detach from the actual mount here, which is nice, which means you can remove the camera at any time, and rather than it being molded to the window, once it's stuck on the window it's on. Now let's take a look at that screen. So the screen is a really nice looking screen, color screen. You've got your LED here, and I've got the card already plugged in here, which is a class 10 card with 64 gigabytes of space. You've got your menu system here. Just need to calibrate it and put the date, time and all that sort of stuff in here. But I'll just show you the color screen here. Quite a nice little screen. The camera does swivel round, which means you will be able to swivel the camera around to get a better angle or field of view what you're recording. You can change all your settings here. Always best to keep the firmware updated. You can format your SD card here, and collision sensitivity, you can set this up. Also there's system time, advanced settings inside here. You can see I've got this set to 2560 by 1440p, and that's what I'm going to be recording at. You've got a higher resolution there if you want to, and I've left it on this one for recording, so that's the sort of quality you're going to expect when you see it a little bit later on. H.265 as well, and it is 2.7K resolution on this. ADAS is disabled. I've left that disabled for this video, and you can see it starts recording here straight away. And again, once you've got this all set up, it's good to go. The quality on this for the money is very, very good indeed, and it blew me away really. It's always good to keep that firmware updated, so update to the latest firmware. I've shown people how to do this before. Just go to the website and download the latest firmware and update your camera, because it'll have all the bug fixes. and stuff like that, and of added features added on there. So we've got normal, emergency and photo. You can take snapshots here as well. You can use voice commands to do all this stuff. I'll show you how that works in a second. So just let me get this all set up and ready to go, and I'll show you how to use your voice commands to do certain tasks with this dash cam, which can be very useful. Take a picture.
Photo taken.
Record a video.
Start recording emergency video.
Turn off screen.
The display is off.
Turn on screen.
The display is on. Recording complete.
So as you can see, that's very useful. Now the microphone on this is very good indeed. The clarity for the mic on this dash cam is very good. Now you're getting superb daytime and nighttime quality images here. It's a bit overcast and it was just going down to sort of dusk, but as you can see, very good quality. 24/7 recording and surveillance with this dash cam as well, which is a nice added bonus. Again, the quality of it is pretty decent, and I was quite blown away with the quality. But 70mm makes some quality cameras, and as you can see, the picture quality is very good indeed. The clarity is very good as well. No pixelation on the screen there. Now remember, YouTube may sort of compress these video files, but the files that I was looking at were very crisp and clear indeed. And again, if you want to check out the night view, I'll show you some night view in a second. But again, if you're looking for a camera at a very affordable prices, then this sort of dash cam is going to be the one. It really is a good quality camera for the money. It automatically overwrites old files as well, and the quality on this is pretty decent, as you can see. Now again, the price for this is around about 60 bucks or something like that, 65 bucks, and I've seen it as little as 40 pounds in the UK, which is half the price of what it was before. It was around about 80 pounds, and again, the GPS added on there I think is around about 15 pounds as well, so it's super cheap. So do your research, have a look, and you'll see that this camera comes out on top in quite a lot of areas for the quality of it. And I've got a pretty dirty screen, and I've not got it on the highest resolution here, and also YouTube will compress the video down and make it not look as good as it does when I'm looking at it in the raw footage. Anyway, that's going to be about it. That's the 70mm Dash Cam Pro. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. I'll leave all the links in the video description if you're interested. Have a great day. Bye for now. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.